Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the even and odd number from the list of array. Let's see with practical here. Here I am using the Eclipse as a IDE and click on the file, new, and take a Java project. A dialog box will display here. Simply need to write your project name, and I'm giving my project name as array demo, and then click on the next and finish. My project displayed under Package Explorer, and simply explore it. Right click on the src folder, and a dialog box will display here. Click on the new and take a class. A dialog box will display here, and simply need to write your class name. Simply giving my class name as a class 1, and check the public static void main method, and then click on the finish. Okay, my class is successfully created here, and we need to write the code inside the main method. First we want to declare a array and instantiate it. Let's see, int data type subscript and then array name, arr equal new int, and then within the subscript you simply give the size of array. This is the declaration and instantiation of array. After that we need to initialize the array. So first we initialize the value at the 0 index position, equal 10, arr 1 index position, equal 11. Copy and paste. Alright, and simply change the value here to 3 and 4, and here 12, 13 and 14. Okay, this is the initialization of the array. And here we need to use the loop for checking the even and odd number. So I'm simply write here for loop, and int I equals 0, I less than arr dot length. Alright, and terminated with semicolon and then I plus plus. Okay, and press enter. Within the body of the loop we need to write the logic for check the even and odd number. You well know that we check the remainder. If the number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, then the value is divided by 2. For this you simply need to write a if condition and then arr, and pass here the I index and modulo 2 equal 0. This statement will check this if statement check the even number, and simply write here system dot out dot println, and write here even number, and then plus arr, and then I, and then terminated with semicolon. Else system dot out dot println, and pass here odd number, and then plus arr I. Alright, okay, first we discuss one by one. The value of I is 0 and the array 0 index position contain the 10 value. So here the ARRI means the 0 index position contain the 10 value, and check the modulo by 2, so the remainder is 0, so the number is even, and the screen even number is print onto the screen, and ARRI simply display the value onto the screen. The value of I is incremented by 1. In the 1 index position the value is 11. Check the condition. Condition is false because the remainder is 1 when the value divided by 2, and remainder is 1. On that case the condition, the control come else part and print the odd number. Again the value of I is incremented by 1, then I value is 2, and then check the index position 2, and the index position 2 contains the 12 value, and the first condition, if condition, is true because there is no remainder when we remainder divide by 2 here, and check the remainder divide by 2 here, and on that case this statement will execute and print the even number and value onto the screen. Again the value of I is incremented by 1, the value of I is 3, then index position, array index position 3 contains the third index position contain the 13 value, and again check the condition. Condition is false, so the control come else part and print this statement odd number, and again the value of I is incremented by 1. The fourth, after increment the value of I is 4, then the fourth index position contain the 14, then again check the condition here. Condition is true because the 14 is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, so the statement will print the even number and the value onto the screen. Save it and run it. Alright, and simply I run it here. Okay, launching here. Alright, even number 10, odd number 11, even number 12, odd number 13, even number 14. Alright, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you want to learn Android, then you will visit my website android80point.co.in. Thank you friends.